In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up a multi-tier affiliate program for your Square store using OSI affiliate software. The OSI affiliate software supports the setup of a multi-tier referral program. With our software, you can create up to 2 tiers. This 2-tier program will allow your affiliates to sign up other affiliates under them so that they can earn a commission from the referred sales of those people under them. Follow the steps on how to enable a 2-tier program for your account. Logged into your OmniStar account and click Referral Program. You can add a new referral program or click the blue pencil icon to edit the program. Fill out the mandatory fields, referral program, the description, how would you like to pay your users, money, a percentage of the sale or a flat rate. Show advanced settings. Do you want to set up a multi-tier commission? Yes. Put the number. Continue. Finish. Now we need to check settings, dashboard, setup software, settings, show advanced settings, allow users to recruit other users. This should be checked and click update. Now we need to log into the affiliate dashboard to make sure that the multi-tier level is activated. Users, select the users, click the blue pencil icon, logged into the user interface for this user. After completing the steps, your multi-tier program will be enabled and all set for affiliates to have another affiliate signed up under them. And this is the link. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.